सब लेट्स लर्न विद एनसीईआरटी में आप सभी का स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, हमारे जो चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर रह गए थे उसको हम आगे बढ़ाते हुए इस वीडियो में फिर से बताना शुरू करते हैं और आप इसको नोट कीजिए, लिखिए, जिससे आप अपने नोट्स को तैयार करके बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में अच्छा कर पाएँ। चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट। नेल्सन मंडेला लॉन्ग वॉक टू फ्रीडम। ठीक है बेटा, यहाँ देखिए, यहाँ लिखा है वाई डिड सच ए लार्ज number of international leaders attend the inauguration. What did it signify the trump of? So the presence of a large number of international leaders was a gesture of solidarity from international community to the idea of the end of apartheid. It signified the triumph of good over evil, the triumph of the idea of a more tolerant society without any discrimination. बेटा ये आपका हो गया फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। सेकंड क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं। सेकंड क्वेश्चन हमारा क्या कहता है कि what does the Mandela means when he says he is simply the sum of all those American patriot? या अमेरिकन पेट्रियोट का मतलब होता है अफ्रीकन पेट्रियोट, देशभक्त के बारे में। अफ्रीकन के जो भक्त हैं, देशभक्त जिसे कहते हैं, who had gone before him. Mandela wants to pay his tribute to all people who had sacrificed their lives for the sake of freedom. He feels that he is simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before him, as he only was carrying forward the baton of freedom struggle. The legacy of leaders of yesteryears, यहाँ ठीक से याद दीजिए क्या है, yesteryears, who had paved the path of cooperation and unity for him. Therefore, he got the support of his people to be able to come to power to bring equality for his own people. यहाँ तक आ गई समझ में क्वेश्चन आंसर। अब आपका सेकंड पूरा हो गया है, आप वीडियो पॉज करके लिख सकते हैं। वुड यू एग्री दैट डेप्थ ऑफ ऑपरेशन क्रिएट हाइट ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स? हाउ डज मंडेला illustrate this? Can you add your own example to the argument? Yes, I agree that the depth of operation create height of character. Nelson Mandela illustrates this by giving example of great heroes of South Africa who sacrificed their lives in the long freedom struggle. India is full of such example. During our freedom struggle, there was a galaxy of leaders of great characters. Probably the operation of British rule created so many men of such characters. If we compare this with the quality of political leaders India is having today, then Nelson Mandela seems to be absolutely right. बेटा इसको अगर मैं हिंदी बताने लगी तो वीडियो बहुत जल्दी लंबी होगी। मेरा थीम क्या है, आपके क्वेश्चन से कंप्लीट हो जाए। हाउ डिड मंडेलाज अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ फ्रीडम चेंज विद एज एंड एक्सपीरियंस? विद एज, Nelson Mandela realized that he had a lot of responsibilities towards his people, his community, and his country. As a boy, Mandela did not have a hunger for freedom because he thought that he was born free. He believed that as long as he obeyed his father and abided by the customs of his tribe, he was very free in every possible manner. He had certain needs as a teenager and then certain needs as a young man. He slowly understands that it is not just his freedom that is being curtailed, but the freedom of all blacks. It is after attaining this understanding that he develops a hunger for the freedom of his people. Thus, age and experience made his perspective more wide. How did Mandela's hunger for freedom change his life? Mandela realized in his youth that it was not just his freedom that was being curtailed, but the freedom of all blacks. The hunger for his own freedom gradually turned into hunger for a freedom of his people. This desire of a non-racial society transformed him into a virtuous and self-sacrificing man. Thus, he joined the African National Congress, and he changed the fearful man to fearless rebel. He sacrificed the comfort of a settled family life to fight for a greater cause. अब ये थिंकिंग लैंग्वेज है बेटा. सॉरी. ये है मेक अ लिस्ट पेयर्स. यहाँ पे आप देखिए ये नाउन है रेबलियन, इसका आपको वर्ब बनाना है. ठीक है, यहाँ मैंने आंसर यहाँ गिवन कर रखा है. आप यहाँ पे रेबलियन का रेबल, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कॉन्स्टिट्यूट, फॉर्मेशन फॉर्म, गवर्नमेंट गवर्न, obligation oblige, transformation transform, discrimination discriminate, deprivation deprive, demonstration demonstrate, operation oppress, imagination imagine. ठीक है, ये आपका रीड द पैराग्राफ एंड फिल द ब्लैंक्स विद द नॉन फॉर्म्स बॉबिन ब्रेक. बेटा ये आप लोग खुद भरेंगे और मुझे कमेंट करके बताएंगे कि आपको ये आया या नहीं, और उसको मैं दोबारा कराऊंगी. थैंक यू. मेरी वीडियो को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को आगे से आगे शेयर करिए कि और भी बच्चों को इससे हेल्प मिल सके. थैंक यू. और जो भी आपको इससे रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेरी हो, कमेंट हो, आप मुझे बता सकते हैं. ठीक है बेटा. ओके.